Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system. Once done, ground yourself to prevent static damage. Identify the GPU RGB cable. Many modern cards use a 3-pin 5V ARGB connector, while older setups use 4-pin 12V RGB. Make sure you locate the motherboard header labeled ARGB, Add Header, or RGB header, and note its pin orientation. Don't assume colors match. Inspect the keyed notch and pin numbering, so you know how the connectors will align before connecting anything. You now align the cable carefully. Match pin count and keyed orientation so the triangle or missing pin lines up with the motherboard marking. Once aligned, press the connector straight down until it seats. Make sure not to twist or force it, which can bend header pins. After seating, route the cable out of airflow paths and secure with a clip or tie so it won't tug on the header when moving the case. Finally, double-check the connection visually and feel for a snug fit. You can power on and immediately open the motherboard RGB utility to verify detection. Once the software sees the device, choose a profile and test colors. If colors are incorrect or LEDs behave strangely, make sure you didn't mix 5V ARGB and 12V RGB headers. Swap or reseat the connector and check BIOS RGB options. If nothing lights up, test the GPU RGB cable on a known good header, or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.